Hello guys, I just wanted to show you our domains here that we have available as part of our SEO Breakthrough Turnkey SEO program. Honestly, these domains, which are free to members, I mean, it's probably worth the price of the program completely, is just for this one feature. We've got domain authority as high as 62. We've got, look down here, 58,000 domains that we've got available on just everything you could want to look at. So from this one, in fact, interestingly about Nike Airs, so if you're interested in shoes, that's because one of the examples I use in my teaching, but there's just so much in here. So let's say you wanted to go, you had something, an insurance related website, maybe accident insurance, so we go insurance, and then we can go add another phrase and go contains accident as well as insurance. I mean, let's see what we got here. So out of those, I've spelt insurance wrong. There we go. We got 22 websites. Domain authority as far as 42 if you wanted to look in this kind of a niche. I mean, there are lots of different stuff here available to you. Even let's go for some wacky stuff. Let's go biology. Whatever it is that you have, we got stuff available out of those thousands, tens of thousands of domains. We got websites up to domain authority 30 there with biology in the anchor text. Let's look at some other examples. How about Valentine's Day? If you're looking at Valentine's gifts, if you put Valentine in there, for example, let's see what we got there. So we've got domain authority up to 36, 129 available domains with Valentine in the anchor text. So these are neat, and you obviously look through here and pick the one that you want specifically, or add in another phrase that you want to see in the anchor text, or even something you do not want to see, like maybe you don't want free in there, for example, and you can make sure we don't have anything with free, and 106 domains there. So, and look through. I mean, there's just so much choice. Just basically whatever you want to find a domain, an age domain, a high authority age domain with hundreds or thousands of backlinks and referring domains. It's just amazing, this resource, and these domains are free to members of Turnkey SEO and SEO Breakthrough. And let's just look. I mean, if you're into local SEO, what about lawyer or locksmith or any of those things? I mean, just hundreds and hundreds of, tens of thousands of domains available. And out of those, domain authority 38 with locksmith in there. And again, look at this one here, all about locksmiths. Domain authority 36. There are some treasures in here. And I have to tell you guys, for those doing SEO, finding high authority age domains with good domain authority, page authority, backlinks, it is one of the hardest and can be most expensive tasks. All of these domains are free to you. You just have to register them with GoDaddy or Namecheap, whoever you want to register them with is fine. It's just the registration cost. We give them free, unlimited numbers. All we ask, guys, is you use them. So we give them to you 3 at a time. As soon as those are used, you get another 3. There's no limit on the number you can have. There's no limit at all, and there's no cost to them. They come free to members of Turnkey SEO in SEO Breakthrough. And I have to tell you guys, this is the most extraordinary resource. So you can just build these things as PBNs, or more likely you'll want to build them using our Phoenix Authority Site Restorer. Just plug them in, restore them to life, put your link on the page, and you are cruising. Most incredible resource. I'm just really, really proud of what we've been able to put together here, and the number of domains that we're continuing to scrape, aged authority domains, to make available to our membership for them to have absolutely free. Guys, I'd encourage you to get hold of this. This is a treasure.